Igor Grichanik here, attorney for the injured, senior trial attorney at Cellino Barnes, and today I'm going to talk about how I get lots of money for my clients who have soft tissue, neck, and back injuries. Particularly what I would do at trial in order to get them maximum compensation when other lawyers may not have wanted their case, or if they did, they certainly don't want to take it to trial. This is what I do, okay? I come to trial, and usually the defense doctor will say, your client isn't injured, but if she is injured, everything is simply pre-existing. And there may be some scientific evidence of a degenerative condition, of degeneration that they had before they were in an accident. Okay, fine, no problem. I bring my doctor up, okay? And I have something called a visual. A visual is when I pay a company thousands of dollars to draw for me something the doctor says is accurate that would help the doctor convey the injury and the symptoms to the jury. So here's a wonderful, wonderful example. This is a cutout of the lower back. It shows the discs, the vertebra, the nerve root, the facet joint, everything else, okay? This we have a cross section, okay? And let's say, I say, doctor, was there some degeneration in my client's back? And the doctor may say, yes, there was pre-existing asymptomatic degeneration or a condition, a degenerative condition, okay? Asymptomatic meaning it didn't hurt. It looked like this: hydrated disc, hydrated facet, bone, everything looks nice and beautiful and connected, okay? Then you have an accident, like a whiplash, and then you have this shows a joint during an injury. As you can see, it's twisting, and there's a force that actually crushes the tissue. That's why there's all of this red. And the arrow kind of shows what happens to the back or to the neck, okay? Then my doctor will say, well, she came to me, I reviewed the MRI, and the MRI showed symptomatic, post-traumatic degenerative arthritis. And that looks something like this. You have nerve impingement. See the difference? I showed this to the jury. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the difference. There's impingement. Nerve causes radiculopathy. Radiculopathy is what happens when you injure your back, and then you have tingling sensation going down your legs, or maybe sometimes you have numbing sensation in your legs, in your buttocks, or even in your fingers. That is impingement. There's disc space narrowing, and there's progressive degeneration of the joint. There we go. That's what it looks like after the accident, and that's what it looked like before. Much different. Hydrated, not hydrated, nice and beautiful and clean, and this has some twisting, turning, and some crushing of the joint tissue. I say, doctor, how do you know? How does the jury know you're telling the truth? Well, then the doctor pulls out the MRI film. And the MRI film, which is black and white and kind of hard to read, the doctor shows and compares it to this. And the doctor says, this is how I know. The client initially had no symptoms, even if there was degeneration, but after the accident, she is showing symptoms, she is showing pain. And that is how I show the jury that my client's soft tissue, neck and back is worth lots and lots of money, even if they didn't get surgery, okay? So if you get into an accident, your neck, your back hurts, call me, I'll answer your questions, and if I can, I'll take your case and I'll do the best job that I can.